Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ECE Scholastic. I'm Jasmine. In today's session, we are going to see a problem under DIF with a 4-point sequence as well as an 8-point sequence. So let's start the session with a problem. The first problem is compute a 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 using DIF algorithm. So in the question, it is given the value of n as n is equal to 4, which can be written as 2 to the power 2, which means we have two stages of computation, okay, which is of the form 4-point sequence and 2-point sequence. Okay, and also the sequence x of n is given as 0, 1, 2 and 3, which means our values are, this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Okay, as we know in DIF, input is in normal order and output is in bit reversed order. So bit reversed order in the sense x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Okay, now let's start solving the problem with our first stage of computation. So this is my first stage computation. I have 4 inputs. I'm going to represent the 4 inputs: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. My values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to add the values, that is plus 1 and minus 1. Since it is a 4-point sequence, the first 2 lines will take plus 1, the next 2 lines will take minus 1. Wherever there is minus 1, I will be adding the twiddle factor. For 4-point sequence, my twiddle factors are W4 power 0 is equal to 1, W4 power 1 is equal to minus 3. Okay, now I am going to connect the cross lines. I am going to find the output for the first line, which is 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2, my answer is 2. And here it is 1, 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, my answer is 4. And here it is 0, 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, my answer is minus 2. And here it is 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3, my answer is minus 2. Okay, now I have the twiddle factor at the output side. So I'm going to write the final answer after multiplying the twiddle factor. So this is 2, this is 4, this is minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2. And this is minus 2 into minus j, which is plus j2. Okay, so the output of the first stage will serve as the input to the second stage. I'm going to write the answers: 2, 4 minus 2 plus j2. That is 2, 4 minus 2 plus j2. I'm going to represent the positive and negative lines. So the second stage computation is a 2-point sequence. Here the twiddle factor is W2 power 1 is equal to 0. And the lines are, I will split plus 1 and minus 1 equally for the 2 lines. So it is plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1. So wherever there is minus 1, I will be giving the twiddle factor. So this is W2 power 0 is equal to 1. W2 power 0 is equal to 1. I'm going to give the cross lines. Now the output of first line is, this is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Here it is 2. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. And here minus 2 plus j2. So minus 2 plus j2. Here it is minus 2 minus j2. Okay. Now the output is 6 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus j2. And minus 2 minus j2 into 1 is minus 2 minus j2. Okay. As we know, the output of a DIF is of bit reversed order. So this is x of 0, this is x of 2, this is x of 1 and this is x of 3. Okay. So as a whole, I can represent the output as this. So this is x of 0, this is x of 2, this is x of 1 and this is x of 3. So my sequence will be x of 0, the value is 6. X of 1, the value is minus 2 plus j2. X of 2, the value is minus 2. And x of 3, the value is minus 2 minus j2. Okay. So this is the DIF for a 4-point sequence. Hope you understood this problem. Now let's move on to the 8-point sequence. So this is the question. Compute an 8-point sequence, 8-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 using DIF algorithm. Okay. Since the value of n is 8, it will be of the form 2 to the power 3, which means we have 3 stages of computation, okay, which will follow the pattern 8 point, 2 sets of 4 points and 4 sets of 2 point sequences, okay. And also we have an additional point, that is input will be of normal order and output will be of bit reversed order, okay. So now I am going to consider the first stage computation. This is my structure. Here I am going to represent the inputs x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. My values are 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I am going to split the positive and negative values of 1. So first 4 lines will take positive 1 and the last 4 lines will take negative 1, since it is a 8 point sequence. Okay, so wherever I have given -1, I will add the twiddle factor, that is W8 bar 0 is equal to 1, W8 bar 1 is equal to 0.707 minus J 0.707, W8 bar 2 is equal to minus J, W8 bar 3 is equal to minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, now I am going to give the crossed lines. So the first output of the first line is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, which is added to 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. In a similar way, this is also 3, this is also 3, this is also 3. And coming to this line, so the first line is 2 and the second line is -1. So 2 minus 1, my answer is 1. Here also my answer is 1, 1, 1. Now I need to multiply the output of the stage with the twiddle factor values. So this value is 3, 3, 3, 3. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0, 1 into W8 bar 1. Okay, so the value is 0.707 minus J 0.707. Similarly, -1 into W8, here the value is 1, correct? So 1 into W8 bar 2 is minus J, so it is minus J. And here it is 1 into W8 bar 3, so this value is minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. I am going to give the output of first stage as an input to the second stage. So in the second stage, what are all the parameters we need to know? We are going to use 2 twiddle factors here, which is W4 bar 0 whose value is 1, W4 bar 1 whose value is minus J. So my lines are like this. Here I am going to give the output of the first stage, which is 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 0.707 minus J 0.707 and minus J, and here it is minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, now I am going to give the +1 and -1 values. Since it is a 4-point sequence, the first 2 lines will take +1 and the second 2 lines will take -1. So +1, +1, -1, -1, 1, 1, -1, -1. Wherever there is -1, I am going to give the twiddle factor. W4 bar 0 is equal to 1, W4 bar 1 is equal to minus J, W4 bar 0 is equal to 1, W4 bar 1 is equal to minus J. Okay, now I am going to connect the crossed lines for the first and second part. So the answer of first line is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, and here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And here 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. In a similar way, 1 minus J, this answer. And here it is 0.707 minus J 0.707, which is added to minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So this 0.707 minus J 0.707 cancels each other. My value will be minus J 1.414. Okay, in a similar way, this is 1, this is minus J. So it is 1 minus J into -1, correct? So it is plus J. So this is 1 plus J. And here it is 0.707 minus J 0.707 minus into this value. So it is plus 0.707 plus J 0.707. So the J term will cancel each other and my answer will be 1.414. Okay. Now I need to write the answer after multiplying the twiddle factor. So here the value is 6, here it is 6, 0, and here is also 0. 0 into minus j is 0. So here my value is 1 minus j. Okay. Here my value is minus j 1.414. Here my value is 1 plus j into 1. It is 1 plus j. And here it is 1 plus 414 into minus j. So it is minus j 1.414. Okay. Now I have calculated the output of second stage computation, which serves as the input to the third stage computation. So here the inputs are 6, 6, 0, 0, 1 minus j 1.414, 1 plus j minus j 1.414. Now I am going to give the positive and negative 1 values. As you know, this is a 2-point sequence. So 2 point means 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Wherever there is minus 1, I will be giving the twiddle factor. So which is W2 per 0 equal to 1. Okay. After giving the twiddle factor, I will be giving the crossed lines. So I have given crossed lines for each sets of 2-point sequence. Now I am going to find the output. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0, this is also 0 and this is also 0. And here it is 1 minus j minus j 1.414, which is equal to 1 minus j 2.414. And here 1 minus j plus j 1.414, which is equal to 1 plus j 0.414. Okay. And here 1 plus j minus j 1.414, which is equal to 1 minus j 0.414. And here it is 1 plus j 1.414, which is equal to 1 plus j 2.414. Since my twiddle factor value is W2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1, I will get the same answer. Okay. So my final answer is 12, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus j 2.414, 1 plus j 0.414, 1 minus j 0.414 and 1 plus j 2.414. As you know, the output of DIF is a bit reversed order. So my answer will be like this: x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. So my final answer will be like this. Okay. Hope you understood how to solve this 8-point sequence with the help of a DIF structure. With this, I am going to complete today's session. We will meet on the next session, which is our final session under Unit 1. Hope you have no doubts. If you have any queries, please mail me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Have a great day.